Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn off the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my valuable videos anytime I drop them. And for returning viewers, I want to thank you for watching my video. In these videos, I'm going to teach you guys how you can pay and download your original Waec result. Yes, we've seen series of cases whereby most people lost their Waec result. Most people don't know where to get their original Waec result. But today I'm going to show you a super easy way to get you pay for your Waec result, original result, and download it. This is not what's it called, online printout. No, original Waec results. Just don't miss any step in this video because they are very important and crucial. With this, even you can start this as a business, helping people to pay their results and make money from it. So all you just have to do is to follow my step. This is a website you will be using, portal.waec.org. portal.waec.org. Yes, a very straightforward portal. You can make findings and check it. It's 100% legit and real. It's from Waec office themselves. So with this, you get your Waec results online, and then you download it, you print it out without you going to Waec office stressing yourself. You understand? So with this now, let's start without wasting much of our time. Once you click on this link, I'll be pinning the link inside the comment section and inside the description below. Click on the link. Once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to this page. After the redirection, all you just have to do is to come down here and click on create account. As you can see, this is just an important information, random information, but I will advise you guys to read it and go through it because it serves as guidelines or pointer for us. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to click on close, and you see this, we have two buttons here: certificate access for candidates, which is for students, you understand, and candidate confirmation, this is for institution that want to confirm students also, but we are less concerned about this yellow one. The first one, excuse me, I've clicked on the school own. Click on account, close, then set for students. So now, without wasting much of our time, we are going to fill up this area now. You see it, you fill it up, you put in your surname, then you see it, you fill it, then your email, see them, just follow the process, very super easy. Phone number, then your password, password, so the password must match, you understand. So I haven't done that, you will have to tick on this. I've confirmed the information above. You click on this tick, so there will be some information you just have to go through it, just like the terms and conditions, but I will advise you guys to go through it as well, you understand. So I haven't done that, blah 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 blah. We'll check them, then we'll have to click on agree. After clicking on agree, we click on sign up. So once we click on sign up, verification pin will be sent to our mail. So let's go and check the email. Let me go to the email, gmail.com. So the verification pin will be sent to us. So now, as you can see, this is the verification pin, and you see that 6-digit number. We click it, we have to copy it, the number out. We'll go back to our registration portal, then we'll put it in, then click on submit. So that's the first step. It will create an account. You can see your account has been successfully verified. Now we have to log in with the email and password we use in registering, you understand. So now we'll have to log in. So that is that. We click on login. So after the login, this place now we have to be very careful. We select the year of exam. Which year do you write the exam? 2018, 2009, 2010, 20 days, 11, let's say 2010. Then you select the month of the exam. Is it May, June, or November, December? If it is May, June, you select it, and your date of birth is not compulsory the one you have on your, or what's it called, on your Waec. Just choose a particular date of birth. You understand? Then you choose the month, you choose the date. So now you have to enter a day, your Waec number. You see that on your printout. You see that there. Once you check that, you also put it here as well. Confirm it. 81010013. I'm just using a random number. So I haven't done that. You click on this as well. They just tell you blah 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 blah. You read it out, check it, read it out. So I haven't done that. You check everything, you go through it. I haven't done that. You click on agree. After the agree, you now click on access certificate. You see it now. It's going to bring out the information you fill, and once you click on continue, you have to redirect it to where you make payment for the certificate. As you can see now, you'll be charged 30 units, which is 7,500, and for a successful assessing, and the application charge that will be deducted are non-refundable. Do you wish to continue? You will be asked if you wish to continue. At this juncture, you have to make payments. So once you click on yes, you'll be redirected to where you make payments, which is using your card. Is Flutterwave. Yes, it's Flutterwave. Let's say yes. Once I click here now, you see card is you see it. So I have to make payments now. You see it, 7,605 naira. It's because of the charges. The actual payment is 7,500. You see it now, Waec digital certificate. You make payments, you slot in your card, then you will send OTP, you put it there. After your money has been deducted, you will now have to confirm, you verify yourself. You can verify yourself with your BVN or your NIM. You understand? So once you verify it, you will now go back. You will be directed here, which is you will be directed to the certificate area. This is the certificate. As long as your payment has been confirmed, you'll be directed here. So you see now, we don't have any certificate here, all because we don't make any payments. Had it been you have made the payment, you will see the certificate here. And once you click on the certificate, you may be asked to verify once again. The verification, there is no problem there. It's very easy and straightforward. You understand? Just make the payment, you'll be redirected here, and with the redirection, the certificate will be available. You click on the certificate in this area, and you see the download button. With that, your certificate will be downloaded to your phone, and you can print it anywhere, anytime you want to do it. So if you are still watching this video to this area, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon. More tips are still coming, tips that will make life easy for us. So with this now, you can be in the comfort of your own and pay for your Waec certificate and print it out. Or you have people that wanted to do it, you do it for them, you get your money, and you're good to go. Charging 13,000 as many as you understand. So that is that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.